Tagalog sentences using rin, raw, roon, rito at riyan. Sabi ni Maria, hindi mo raw siya kinakausap. Maria said, you are not talking with her. Wala rin daw siyang gana makipag-usap sa'yo. She doesn't want to talk to you either. Ako nga rin, parang tinatamad. Me too, I feel lazy. Balak ko sanang pumunta riyan. I'm planning to go there. Kaso, walang tao rito sa bahay. But no one is at home. Isa pa, kailangan ko ring umuwi ng maaga. Besides, I need to go home early. Hindi raw muna kasi siya sinabihan tungkol dyan. She wasn't informed yet about that. Hindi ko nga rin inaasahan to. I'm not expecting this too. Magsangguni ka muna roon bago ka pumunta rito. You consult there before you come here. Paano kung maisipan niyang pumunta rito? What if she decided to come here? Magpapaiwan ka ba rito? Will you stay here? Paano ako makakapunta riyan? How can I get there? Kailangan mo raw ng katulong? Do you need someone to help? Pupunta rin dito ang mga pinsan ko. My cousins will come here too. Pupunta ka raw dito. You're coming here. Taga rito ka rin ba? Are you from here too? Patungo roon ang mga bisita. The visitors go there. Nag-aaway raw ang kanyang mga magulang. He said his parents are fighting. Lagi raw kasi siyang umaalis ng bahay na hindi nagpapaalam. He said he always leaves the house without saying goodbye. Palagi siyang pumupunta sa dako paroon. He always goes over there. Marami ngang nakapansin na balisa raw siya. Many have noticed that he is anxious. Gusto ko nga siyang kausapin, ngunit baka hindi rin ako pansinin. I really want to talk to him, but he might not even notice me. Pupunta na lang ako roon sa susunod na araw. I'll just go there the next day.